Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are going to understand the chapter better by doing the exercises of the chapter The Magpie's Nest. So let's start.
So children, we are on page number 32 of the chapter The Magpie's Nest. Okay, we are going to do the exercise today given in the test book. Have a look. Put a tick against the sentence that are true or cross against the ones that are not true. This type of questions we have done many times. You know that we have to put a tick mark in the box given if it is true, and you have to put a cross mark if it is not true. Let's go through the sentences. The first one is, all the birds came to the sparrow to learn to build nest. Is this statement true or not true? Remember the story? Was the sparrow who used to build the best nest? So children, all the birds came to the sparrow to learn to build nest. This statement is not true, so we are going to put a cross mark over here. It was not the bird sparrow, the bird was magpie, to which all the birds came to learn how to build nest. Okay, because magpie was the cleverest bird of all at building nest. Okay, let's see the second one. Oh, the second one is that only. The magpie is the cleverest bird of all at building nest. I have told you the answer already. So children, the magpie is the cleverest bird of all at building nest is true, and that is the reason all the birds came to magpie to learn how to build nest. Come to the next page. We'll go to the third statement. So number 3 is, the magpie only used twigs to build her nest. The statement is true or not true. I repeat, listen carefully children. The magpie only used twigs to build her nest. So children, this statement, the magpie used only twigs to build her nest, this statement is not true. So we are going to put a cross mark, because magpie used many more things to build a comfortable nest, and that is the reason the magpie was the cleverest bird at building nest. Okay, so mark this statement not true. Put a cross mark over there. Now come to the fourth one. Sparrows made very good nest. Is this statement true or not true? So children, sparrow made very good nest is untrue, so put a cross mark over here. So children, the sparrow went off, he flew away without looking at the complete procedure of how to make nest. So he is not the person to make very good nest. So sparrow made very good nest is not true. Okay. Let's come to the next one. Number 5. Manas have very comfortable nest. Is this statement true or not true? So children, this statement is true. We are going to put a tick mark after the statement. Manna have very comfortable nest. Yes, that is true. And the reason is manna was the last bird to flew away. All the birds flew before manna, and so manna know how to build comfortable nest. Okay, so this statement is true. Number 6. Owl did not learn how to build a nest. Now, is this statement true or not true? Owl did not learn how to build a nest is true because owl also did not watch the complete procedure how to make a nest, and he flew in the starting itself. So he did not know how to build a proper nest. So this statement is true. Come to number 7. Maynas make their nest using mud, twigs and feathers. Is this statement true or not true? I read it again for you. Mayna make their nest using mud, twigs and feathers. True, and that is the reason their nests are very comfortable ones. Okay? Now we come to the B question. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. 2 options are given, children, and one is correct and the other one is incorrect. So we are going to tick the correct one, and if dashes are given, we will write it in the blank also. Come to the first one. All the birds came to the magpie to learn how to option. So children, here the correct option is build nest. All the birds came to the magpie to learn how to build nest because magpie was the cleverest bird of all at building nest. Okay, come to the second one. The magpie is the cleverest bird of all at finding food, building nest. Just now we discussed about this. Okay, so what is the correct option? So children, the correct option is building nest. Now we come to the third one. Dash make very bad nest to this day. Options are sparrow, owls. And what is the correct option? So children, the correct option is sparrow. Put a tick mark and you will write it here. S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S, sparrow. Sparrows make very bad nest to this day. Why? Because it did not watch the whole procedure of how to build nest and he flew away. Come to the fourth one. Dash have very comfortable nest, and the options are crows, mayna. And the correct option is mayna. So we are going to write here M-Y-N-A-H-S. Maynas have very comfortable nest. Why? Because they build their nest by using mud, twigs and feathers. Come to the fifth one. Different birds build their nest similarly, differently. Similarly means same and differently means in different ways. Okay. See here, there are so many nests. All the birds make their nest differently. Their nests are not the same. Okay. So the answer to this one is differently. Different birds build their nest differently. None of the birds make a similar nest. All the nests are built different way, in a different way. Okay. Now children, this is page number 30. Children, we are going to do this as well. Look at these pictures. They show different kinds of birds. Write their names with the help of the clues. I know you all know all the birds. Let's write it together, okay? The first picture is of a peacock. Peacock. P-I-C-C-K, peacock. We're going to write the spelling together. And children, you have to write all the letters capital, okay? When we write like this, when we write the name in the blanks, we write all the letters capital, okay? But when we write in sentences, we are not going to do that. Fine? Come to the second one. This is a picture of a crow. And the spelling of crow is C-R-O-W, crow. The third one is, you all know, I know that, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Come to the next one. This is a picture of a myna. And the spelling is M-Y-N-A-H, myna. The next picture is of a parrot. That's very common. Let's write P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. You must say the spellings while writing, okay? And the last one is the most common word, that is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Repeat after me, children. Peacock, crow, eagle, myna, parrot, and the last one is sparrow. So this was all for today's class, children.